This tutorial will show you how to change your Facebook name online for social media platform completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Okay, the first step to change your Facebook name, I'm using an iPhone, but this also works for Android, is to click on Facebook on your smartphone device. Secondly, go to the bottom right hand screen and click on Menu, which is next to Notifications. This will basically pull up your profile, but basically there's a couple ways to do this. You can click on your profile, and as you can see, we have the profile pulled up. And then if you can click the second option, which says Add to Story, Edit Profile. And in this case, you can update your picture, your avatar, cover photo, bio, but in this case, we want to upload our Facebook name, so click back. Okay, now back under to the menu or a profile, you want to click this top right hand screen icon, Settings, which is next to the search or glass icon. And as you can see, you want to type in right here in the middle of screen, Name. And once you do so, you click the first option which says Name, or you can click this option, the fifth option, Username. But in this case, we're going to click Name. As you can see now, you have your first name, your middle name, and your last name. You can choose to change this online for Facebook completely for free, and you can click Review Changes or click Done. You're welcome.